Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video
Please subscribe to our channel.
and share with everyone. So today we're gonna make some fruit cake. We're getting ready for early Christmas, right? We're trying to practice. Hopefully we get it perfect by Christmas. We got the export here anyway. Me and Rita tried to make yesterday. We'll show you guys a clip how it was an epic fail. So we bring in the export here, Rita mom. So welcome. And,
you're welcome. Thank you.
Alright, so we're making 1 pound of cake here. This is the Guyana style. We don't take chance with the egg, right? You know, bust one first and then put it in the pot.
Yeah.
But I think all is good, but you know, you don't want to take chance. So that's why we're doing one at a time. So we got 12 egg here. Let's bust all this egg and put it in. Alright, so we got all 12 egg in here. We'll finish breaking them up. I'm gonna mix it up with this mixer here. So let's get this mixing.
Some liquor inside.
So we put some, putting in some Guyana rum here.
You guys see liquor.
Liquor?
Liquor.
Liquor, liquor.
We're putting some liquor here.
So you're gonna cut the rank out of the egg, right?
Alright.
Yes, that's good. We're not gonna the butter now.
So we got the egg beat up already. Go ahead, put the butter in.
Right.
We're using Imperial brand butter today.
Then another the margarine butter, right?
Yep.
So you blend that up now.
Alright, so let's see how this come on.
Now I've got the sugar, right? 1 pound sugar.
So we got the butter mix up here with the egg. Now we're gonna go in with the sugar. So back in Guyana, we don't have electricity, so we couldn't use machine. We used to get one person at one pot, keep mixing it, right? So now we get the machine; it goes much faster. So we got the raisin here. It's optional if you want to blend it up or not, but we're choosing to blend it up. So we also got some cherry here. I'm gonna blend this up too.
You put 1 pound there, right? 1 pound.
Yep. So we're going in with 1 pound of flour, all-purpose flour. That's what we're using.
No, 5
No,
rows.
it's a 5 rows.
5 rows?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. You plug me back?
Oh,
Yeah, you got all flour now, right?
yep, so we're going in with the flour.
Baking powder.
So we got the batter ready here, flour mix up. Let's go in with some baking powder.
A spoon.
Yep, a spoon of baking powder.
I'm gonna put a spoon in little.
A little bit more?
Spoon and a half.
All right, 1.5 spoons of baking powder.
I got to get out in little bit, right?
Yep. Ground nutmeg here, about a half a spoon. You can use the fresh one too and grind it, or make life easier. Put some of this in.
See?
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna put up essence.
Essence in.
Use the black one, right?
Yep. Mix essence, about a tablespoon or so. Listen on the cherry. right, so we got this in, and then we're gonna mix it up. It's already smelling good there, right?
Good, right?
Look like you're ready to eat already.
Smell
You
good.
want to taste some, Rita?
No, thank you.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
When you finish with your pot, go wash in the pan and you taste some there.
You got chatty finger and so with the thing. Alright, so I'm putting in some cinnamon stick or spice. And try to grate this up. I'm also putting in a little bit of a fresh orange skin here. You have a nice smell to it.
Wow, it smells good.
So we got the batter mix up here. We got everything in. What do you want to call this, Rita? Rum cake or fruit cake? Fruit cake?
Yeah.
Fruit cake? Alright, so this is nice and mixed up here. We got the pan greased up. We put some butter in. Now we're going to put some flour. We got the oven already warm up to 350 degree. So we're going to load it up in the pan and put it in the oven. Putting in this in the pan here. So we got 3 pan here. Oven is preheat to 350 degree. So let's put this in and let it bake. How long are we baking it for? 30 minutes? Or are we gonna check?
And watch it.
Alright, so we're gonna let it go for 30 minutes, then we're gonna open it and take a look. See how
You
it
gotta
comes
check with the broom.
You go smell.
out. We're gonna piece a broom and juke it in and see if the broom come out clean, then it's good.
Yeah.
Toothpick, okay?
Toothpick? No broom? Okay, we're gonna use toothpick. So while the cake is in the oven, we're gonna make some ginger beer. Ginger beer and fruit cake does go good, right?
Good, yeah.
Yeah, so we got this grind up here already. I'm doing some more. I got some more here. And this has been requested by Miss Rose, right? So take a big up, Miss Rose. This is for you. So we're gonna make some ginger beer here. We got some ginger here. Grind ginger.
Fresh, boy.
Fresh grind ginger, right? It's about 1.5 pounds, close to 2 pounds. Depends on how much you want to make. I also got some cinnamon stick or some spice here.
And how strong you want to make
And
it.
yeah, so we also
Put
got
some
some
clove.
clove. It's good enough?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got some clove in there. And now
You will add the water, I sit.
I'm gonna put some water in here. Yeah, so I didn't add too much of cinnamon stick or spice inside because I don't want to kill the ginger flavor. Because
And
I'm making
nutmeg, some people put nutmeg
ginger
too.
beer, right? Some people put the nutmeg and stuff, but like I said, I don't want to put too much other ingredients to kill the ginger taste.
You know, I'm good in the sponge cake.
Yep, so this is gonna go good with
Yes,
the
yes.
fruit cake.
Daddy say he used to buy this at canteen back home.
Yep, and Uncle Jim.
So what happened? Mommy doesn't make it?
Mommy
Never
lazy.
know. You're not get them things.
You're not
You're not get all the ingredients, right?
Yeah.
Or you're not get all the ingredients at the same time. You probably get some here and then some later on. Alright, so we're gonna let this sit. We didn't put the sugar in. Whilst I take out whatever I need to drink, and I'm gonna sweeten it
Yeah.
to my liking. You can put as much sugar as you want or as less as you want. Depends on your liking, right?
You're gonna apply dry overnight,
Yep.
and tomorrow you're gonna strain it out, and you're gonna sweet your session what you're gonna use, and the rest we're gonna prepare it in the fridge.
Leave it in the fridge?
Yes. So you're not gonna add sugar and all, so you're gonna taste least, like you know.
Okay, okay. You just take out whatever you need and sweeten that
Yes,
amount.
yes.
Alright, so we're gonna let this sit here.
You know, cover it up.
Yep.
Alright, so we gotta cover this up. Let it sit overnight.
And tomorrow you're gonna
Tomorrow we're gonna show you
strain it
guys.
out, then you're gonna put the rest in the fridge. Or you're gonna.
Alright. See how the cake is going there. It's in about 5 minutes already. So we'll check that in about 25 minutes. So about 20 minutes in, this is how the cake is looking here. So we'll give it some more time. Let it go. See how it raise up. Real nice. Alright, so this is the outcome of the cake. Looking real good. It looked brown because we grind up the raisin, right? That's why it all get mixed up and the color is like this. But
And
it's
the
not burnt.
whiskey.
And the whiskey, of course, or the liquor. Alright, so let's cut this and see how this comes out.
Let me cut.
Yep, let's cut the cake. Look nice and spongy.
The girl cut the
The girl
cake.
cut the cake.
We cut the cake, right?
Looking good, looking good.
Now you can see it come out your by.
Alright, look like you're ready to go. Wow, nice and spongy. Looking real
Well
good,
cooked,
looking
well
real
cooked.
good. Not like what I did yesterday, right? That was an epic failure.
Wow, that tastes good.
It tastes good, but it didn't come out as spongy as this, right? Alright, you want to try a piece? Come on. Give it a try. You sample.
Let me try.
Yep.
They're fair bit too, right?
Yeah.
It take long, like it tastes
Real
nice.
good, real good, man.
How much?
Good
What you
job.
rated? What number?
Well, 10 over 10 too.
Alright, go ahead.
Try
You want to try?
create. Try create.
Alright, let me see. I'm gonna eat more when I have the ginger beer ready, but I'm gonna just give it a taste now. It's good. Very flavorful. And it's perfect. Not too sweet. Correct balance. Right? And the big,
Yeah.
well good.
Gonna go against you. Because
Right,
You know
yep.
what's sweet.
Yep. This is just the way I like it. This is heaven.
Let me try a piece. I will see how the hand work there.
Yeah, good.
10 out of 10. Mommy do a good job there.
Alright,
Thank you,
thank you.
thank you.
Congratulations.
Well
Yep.
star, well
Yep.
star.
So it also comes out brown because we use Guyana Demerara brown sugar, right? So that's why it's brown like this. And also, like I said, we grind up the raisin.
So guys, Matt prepared some Guyana style cake for us and it looks good.
Hey guys, I'll be trying this Guyana style cake. It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10.
My man, he done 10 out of 10. Everybody rate this cake 10 out of 10.
We got 10 out of 10.
It's good eating. You enjoy it?
Yeah.
All right,
Eat
good,
that
good.
piece, eat that one.
Chris, you know what?
Hmm?
You need the ginger beer.
Need the ginger beer?
Wow.
All right, so we're gonna try with some
Wow.
ginger beer, but you know, everybody make theirs different, right? This is our way of making it. Yes, yes. Hello, everybody. Today is day 2 here for this ginger beer. Come in here, Rita. Let's take a look. See what it looks like. Smell. It's real strong. Looking good. We didn't put sugar from yesterday, and the reason for that is you don't want the sugar to taste like lees. So we're gonna take out whatever we need, and then we'll add sugar to a small portion. So we only add a few stuff like we showed you earlier. A lot of people add more stuff to it, like lemon, lime, and more spices, but I don't want to kill the ginger taste, right? Because I'm making ginger beer. So I'm gonna sweeten this with some brown Demerara brown sugar. This sugar come all the way from Guyana. You can put as much as you want, depends on your liking, right? I sweeten this here. Let me give it a taste and see. I think I'm gonna go with some more. Alright, that's enough for what I like. I'm gonna put it to cold. And then later on today, I'm gonna remove all the ginger from this because it's already soaked into the water. I'm gonna fill it in a container and put it in the refrigerator. But you don't have to do that because I know back in the days, a lot of people didn't have a refrigerator back in Guyana. They let it soak in the pot. So I have my fruit cake and my ginger beer. So cocktail, ginger beer, 10 cents a glass. If you don't like it, you can kiss my hairy Yasmin, no question. Right. Rita got scared there for a second. Alright, so let me take a piece of this. Alright, this is very good. Tastes even better overnight. And I got my ginger beer here. This is also very good. Bring back a lot of memory. Like back home, right? Ginger beer and fruitcake. Happy holidays, everybody. Happy early holidays or Merry Christmas. Early Christmas.
Okay, bye-bye.
Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Guyanese Christmas. We wish you a Guyanese Christmas. We wish you a Guyanese Christmas and a happy new year. Drink a ting, it's a Guyanese Christmas. Drink a ting. Drink a ting, it's a Guyanese Christmas. Drink